Listen, just 3 months ago, back in early July 2024, I was exactly like so many of you watching this right now. A complete beginner, endlessly scrolling through countless videos about making money online, feeling totally overwhelmed by all the hype and highly skeptical that any of it could actually work for someone like me without prior skills or experience. But then, something finally clicked in my mind, and I decided to stop just consuming content and start taking real, consistent action, which unexpectedly led to generating $10,847 in real income over those 90 days, transforming my financial situation in ways I never imagined possible. Remarkably, in just those 90 days from July 1st to October 1st, 2024, I managed to generate a total of $10,847 in actual, verifiable money that was deposited directly into my personal bank account, broken down as $4,500 from faceless YouTube channels, $3,800 from selling digital products, and $2,547 from affiliate ecosystems, all using straightforward, beginner-friendly methods that are set to be even more powerful and effective throughout 2025 due to advancing AI tools and algorithm shifts. This video absolutely isn't some sneaky sales pitch for an expensive course or a hyped-up get-rich-quick scheme that promises overnight riches. Instead, it's my genuine commitment to sharing the exact, step-by-step strategies that worked flawlessly for me as a total beginner navigating today's fast-evolving digital landscape, so you can replicate these results without falling for common traps. The online world has undergone dramatic transformations, especially as we head into 2025, creating unprecedented opportunities projected to reach a $6.5 trillion global online economy, according to Statista, but only for those who are willing to learn these new AI-driven approaches and implement them with consistency rather than chasing outdated tactics. Throughout this video, I'll reveal in detail 3 distinct, beginner-friendly methods: faceless YouTube channels, digital products, and affiliate ecosystems that are not only simple to start, but also highly scalable, allowing everyday people to build sustainable income streams, potentially averaging $1,000 to $5,000 per month within 90 days as reported in recent Forbes Insights. Our very first powerful strategy revolves around leveraging faceless YouTube channels, a method experiencing a massive resurgence thanks to YouTube's algorithm shift after the 2024 updates, which now dramatically favors channels that deliver high audience retention without ever needing to show your face on camera. The absolute key to success here is deeply understanding that YouTube's current algorithm heavily prioritizes watch time and audience retention rates above 60%, meaning you can create quality, engaging content that keeps viewers hooked for longer periods, generating revenue regardless of whether your personal face appears in any videos. If you want a big discount on all services presented, check the links into the description. Niche research forms the crucial foundation. Target high CPM niches such as finance with $20 to $50 per 1,000 views, health, and tech reviews, easily identified through reliable tools like TubeBuddy, where top-performing faceless channels are already earning over $10,000 per month from ad revenue alone. The entire process becomes incredibly streamlined thanks to AI tools. Start with step 1 by researching your niche using vidIQ to pinpoint topics boasting over 10,000 monthly searches combined with low competition scores under 50, ensuring a strong foundation for quick growth. Moving to the next phase, harness AI powerhouses like ChatGPT or Claude to effortlessly generate detailed outlines and full scripts tailored to your niche, saving you countless hours of manual writing and allowing even beginners to produce professional-level content in minutes. For professional voiceovers, turn to ElevenLabs, which provides access to over 100 ultra-realistic AI voices at a highly cost-effective rate of just about 18 cents per minute of audio generated, delivering top-tier narration quality without ever requiring you to use or record your own voice. Creating compelling visuals is made effortless using user-friendly platforms like InVideo or Pictory, granting instant access to over 10 million stock clips along with intelligent auto-editing features that perfectly sync footage to your script for polished, ready-to-upload videos. Enhance click-through rates with Canva's AI tools to design eye-catching, high-converting thumbnails that stand out in search results, while Ahrefs empowers you to optimize SEO titles and descriptions packed with high-volume, relevant keywords for maximum discoverability. Consistency truly is paramount in this game. Commit to uploading 3 to 5 high-quality videos every single week to build momentum with the algorithm. Then dive deep into analyzing your performance via YouTube analytics, targeting at least 50% average watch time to fuel ongoing growth and monetization. A real-world case study exemplifies this perfectly. The Finance Facts Faceless channel skyrocketed from 0 subscribers to 50,000 in just 90 days, scaling its earnings to $3,200 in August 2024 alone, with realistic potential hitting $2,000 to $5,000 per month through steady ad revenue at around $4 RPM on 100,000 monthly views. Shifting gears to our second method, which centers on creating and selling digital products. A brilliantly simple strategy that unlocks incredible 90% profit margins and true passive income potential once everything is set up and automated for hands-off sales. These digital products, such as practical Notion templates or specialized spreadsheets for budgeting and productivity, can be sold repeatedly on established platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, providing a direct, frictionless path to reaching eager customers worldwide without inventory hassles. The true power of this approach lies in those sky-high margins, often exceeding 90%, coupled with the scalability to turn into reliable passive income streams after initial setup, demanding only minimal ongoing effort while sales continue rolling in 24/7. Take the real example of the Budget Tracker spreadsheet. It sold an impressive 800 times at just $12 per unit, generating a whopping $9,600 in revenue over only 60 days, quickly becoming one of Gumroad's top sellers in 2024 and proving the model's viability. The steps to replicate this are straightforward and beginner-proof. Begin with step 1 by validating your product idea through targeted polls on Reddit communities or Pinterest to confirm genuine market demand and avoid wasting time on improving concepts. Next, build your product using accessible tools like Google Sheets for spreadsheets or Notion for templates. Then supercharge it with AI enhancements from Jasper to add premium value, sophisticated features, and polished presentation effortlessly. Strategically price your creation in the sweet spot of $7 to $97 to maximize conversions, and quickly set up a professional sales page on Gumroad that handles automated delivery, payments, and customer access with zero manual intervention. Streamline your marketing by automating email campaigns through affordable services like ConvertKit starting at $29 per month, and boost average order value by offering smart upsell bundles that encourage buyers to purchase complementary products at checkout. Looking ahead to 2025 trends, incorporating AI-customized products like personalized planners or dynamic templates will skyrocket appeal and perceived value, allowing you to charge premiums while delivering tailored solutions that customers rave about. Scaling becomes remarkably simple. Launch just 10 well-crafted digital products across complementary niches, and you could realistically generate around $3,000 per month in passive income, building a robust, diversified revenue stream that grows over time. Finally, let's dive into our third powerhouse method, affiliate ecosystems, which empower you to earn substantial commissions by strategically promoting other people's high-quality products across interconnected platforms for multiplied results. This method thrives on constructing multi-platform funnels that seamlessly guide your audience from discovery on YouTube through a centralized Linktree hub into a nurtured email list and ultimately to high-converting offers for optimal commission capture. Premier affiliate networks, such as Amazon offering 1% to 10%, ClickBank with up to 75% on digital products, and Warrior Plus provide lucrative commissions ranging from 1% all the way to 75%, varying by product category and performance. In 2025 specifically, the industry's shift toward cookie-less tracking via first-party data combined with AI-driven personalization tools makes affiliate marketing exponentially more effective, enabling hyper-targeted promotions that boost conversions significantly. Core strategy starts with selecting niche-specific offers priced between $47 and $197 for healthy commissions, then building content hubs on short-form platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok to attract and funnel traffic efficiently. Amplify reach with proven traffic sources like SEO optimization for organic growth, plus low-budget targeted Facebook ads starting at just $50, all aimed at rapidly building your email list to a 10,000 subscriber goal with an achievable 2% conversion rate on offers. For a concrete example, promoting a popular AI course, offer carrying a generous 40% commission equates to $40 per sale. Achieving just 65 sales over 90 days would net you $2,600 in pure profit, demonstrating the method's accessible earning power. What makes affiliate marketing truly beautiful is its compounding nature. By reinvesting as little as 20% of your earnings back into traffic and list building, you can accelerate growth dramatically, turning modest starts into substantial, snowballing income. Now, let's get real about mindset and immediate action steps, because consistency is the non-negotiable key to success. Commit to dedicating at least one focused hour every single day, embracing that not every single attempt will be a home run, but each builds your skills. Here's my straightforward action plan tailored for you. On day 1, pick just one of these 3 methods to focus on deeply. By day 7, produce and launch your very first piece of output, whether it's a video, product, or content hub. Then track your weekly progress diligently to maintain motivation and refine your approach. If you want a big discount on all services presented, check the links into the description. Addressing common beginner questions head-on. What if I have 0 skills? No problem. Dive into the abundance of free AI tutorials available online, requiring just 5 minutes a day to master the basics quickly. What about no time? Even 2 dedicated hours daily can create massive differences over 90 days through focused, high-impact activities. My personal challenge to you today is simple yet transformative. Start right now without overthinking. Pick one method, fully commit to the action plan, and embark on your journey toward genuine financial independence using these proven 2025 strategies.